Hello, this is a brief video of Killer Heels Comfort high-heeled shoe inserts. The inserts come in a package like this with temporary glue squares as well as the permanent glue put on the back of the inserts. And the first step is to put your foot in a shoe and mark on the outside of the shoe the widest parts of the foot on both sides, and then transfer those marks to the inside of the shoe, and then take the forefoot insert and match the dots on both sides to the dots in the shoe, and then take the arch area insert and place it 2 finger widths from the back of the heel of the high-heeled shoe, and then you have both of them in. And this is the way that they will be once they're in the shoe. This is a mock-up of a foot in a shoe, and it shows that the foot completely covers the inserts. They don't hang out at the back, at the front, or are not visible at the sides, so they can be worn with any style of shoe. And the way that they function is that there's a slight rise at the front of the forefoot insert, and there's another rise just at the back of the arch area insert, and those 2 rises combined to keep your foot from pushing forward in the shoe. And coincidentally, the 2 rises also fit into the little gaps underneath the foot, so that the insert takes up virtually no room inside the shoe and never crowds your foot. And this is the way the inserts look once they are in your shoes. Thanks for listening. Bye now.